Every good thing in this world started with dream.
I've spent the past 7 years traveling the world perfecting my craft.
I spent the past 7 years traveling the world perfecting my craft.
You see, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker.
You see, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker. You see, I'm something of a magician.
So quiet up and listen down.
So quiet up and listen down. So quiet up and listen down.
Nope, scratch that, reverse it.
No, scratch that, reverse it. No, scratch that, reverse it.
Mr. Wonka, I can see you're a man of great ingenuity.
Mr. Wonka, I can see you're a man of great ingenuity. Mr. Wonka, I can see you're a man of great ingenuity.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm making chocolate, of course.
I'm making chocolate, of course.
How do you like it? Dark, white, nutty, absolutely insane?
How do you like it? Dark, white, nutty, absolutely insane? How do you like it? Dark, white, nutty, absolutely insane?
Many people have come here to sell chocolate.
Many people have come here to sell chocolate. Many people have come here to sell chocolate.
They've all been crushed by the chocolate cartel.
They've all been crushed by the chocolate cartel.
You can't get a shop without selling chocolate, and you can't sell chocolate without a shop.
You can't get a shop without selling chocolate, and you can't sell chocolate without a shop. You can't get a shop without selling chocolate, and you can't sell chocolate without a shop.
No daydreaming.
No daydreaming.
What are we gonna do, Willie?
What are we gonna do, Willie? What are we gonna do, Willie?
Huh?
Huh?
A double huh?
Do you have a pencil and paper?
Uh-huh.
I got an idea.
A double huh? You have a pencil paper? Uh-huh. I got an idea. You have a pencil paper? Uh-huh. I got an idea.
I know things haven't been easy for you.
I know things have been easy for you. I know things have been easy for you.
They're gonna get better.
You promise?
They're gonna get better. They're gonna get better. You promise?
I pinky promise. That's the most solemn vow there is.
I pinky promise. That's the most solemn vow there is.
Where do we start?
Where do we start?
A good chocolate should be simple.
A good chocolate should be simple.
Where's this? It's just weird.
Where's this? It's just weird.
What's happening? Who wants a chocolate that makes you fly?
What's happening? Who wants a chocolate that makes you fly? Who wants a chocolate that makes you fly?
Let's find out, shall we?
Well, let's find out, shall we? Well, let's find out, shall we?
Who's for a hover choc?
Who's for hoverchop?
We're trying to get at least 5 people on one hoverboard.
We're trying to get at least 5 people on one hoverboard. We're trying to get at least 5 people on one hoverboard.
Let go.
Pushing up to my feet.
Derek. All right, Derek.
Just drop, go.
This is so stable.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God, we're good.
Yo, we're good!
Whoa!
Yo, I'm losing it.
We did it!
Nothing to see here. Just a small group of people defying the laws of gravity.
Nothing to see here, just a small group of people defying the laws of gravity. Nothing to see here, just a small group of people defying the laws of gravity.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Gallery Gourmet.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Gallery Gourmet.
My name is Willy Wonka.
My name is Willy Wonka.
He's good. Too good.
He's good. Too good.
Pretty sure I've gained about 150 pounds in the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, pretty sure gained about 150 pounds in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, pretty sure gained about 150 pounds in the last 2 weeks.
You could change her life, Mr. Wonka.
You could change her life, Mr. Wonka.
Change all their lives.
Change all their lives.
Run away!
Run away!
Every good thing in this world started with a dream.
Every good thing in this world started with dream. Every good thing in this world started with a dream.
So you hold on to yours.
So you hold on to yours.
Here we go, Mama.
Here we go, Mama.
Mark my words!
Mark my words.
This is gonna be the greatest chocolate shop
This is gonna be the greatest chocolate shop
the world has ever seen!
the world's ever seen.
So you're the funny little man who's been following me.
So you're the funny little man who's been following me. So you're the funny little man who's been following me.
I will have you know that I am a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa.
I will have you know that I'm a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa. I will have you know that I'm a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa.
An Uber what now?
An Oompa what now?
Allow me to refresh your memory.
Allow me to refresh your memory.
Oh, I don't think I want to hear that.
Oh, I don't think I want to hear that. Oh, I don't think I want to hear that.
Too late. I've started dancing now. Once we've started, we can't stop.
Too late. I've started dancing now. I've started dancing now. Once we started, we can't stop. Once we've started, we can't stop.